You want to fight me? Get!
I can tell that he's very angry. That's one thing.
Yup! Why you do?
It's like when someone can't
Put
talk.
this down now!
They're mad at you.
Okay. شكلك منوبة شكلك منوبة شكلك منوبة.
What are you gonna do? Non-existent punch me?
Yes! I am one punch.
I can't really hear him. Does he know that I do?
ايه ده؟ هو الواد ده يعرفني؟ الواد اللي الحمار ده يعرفني اصلا؟ يا ابني اسكت يا حبيبي يا بابا اسكت يا عم. مبلعبش مع عيال صغيرة. You don't speak.
There.
You don't speak Arabic. I am from Egypt.
What were you saying?
I am from Egypt.
No, really? I thought you were from Mexico.
What? No. I'm from Egypt.
Egypt is
I can speak Arabic.
Egypt is not a word.
It's Egypt. Not
What?
Egypt.
Egypt, not Egypt.
Okay. I know my phone.
He's not existing
Bro.
punching me.
He's non-existing punching me.
Shut up.
Make me.
Make me.
Does your mic not work or something?
Police officer, please kill him.
Just because I'm black? Wow, that's racist.
Because I'm black? Wow, that's racist.
Yep. He's so crazy.
He actually said yes.
What you said? Shut up, bro. Shut up.
Okay, you get your red hair looking Angry Bird,
Get
Krispy
your red hair looking Angry Bird, Krispy Kreme out of here.
What? Bro, shut up.
You sound Indian.
Oh, you hear that?
Pew, 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 pew. You sound Indian.
Hi. Hi, bro. Hi.
Fix your mic, cause I can hear myself.
Shut up, bro. Shut up.
Shut up.
What you want?
Shut up, man.
ايه ده؟ اعرف ده على السطح حاجة
Watch
تقيلة.
out, man. Angry Bird's getting mad.
Angry Bird's getting mad now.
Beware. You need a better mic.
No, what the what you I change my voice.
Okay, bro. Pew, 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 pew. I bet you if I 1v1 with paintball.
Put your hands up.
Like that's gonna hurt me.
I know.
Dying, dude.
I won't let you go. Tick tock. Tick tock.
This man does not know how to say tick.